Hi everyone, this is Aina and welcome on TrueSight Gadgets. This time we're going to discuss about the new iOS upgrades given by Apple recently, and we'll try our best to cover all the essential features in this video, so stay tuned with us. Also, we're going to use iPhone 11 Pro for the demonstration purpose, so let's start. Let's talk about what all the features we have this time with the iOS updates, guys. So you can see here the home screen is totally different. We have a lot of widget options and a lot of customizations regarding widgets. So all these apps are there, and what we're gonna see is like how we can play around with the widgets. So I'm going to keep this music widget here, and you can see that the home screens are totally different this time. You can edit it, you can edit the widgets, you can remove the widgets from your home screen very easily. You can see here the news widget, the stock widget separately, how it's showing in the screen. Now see, if you long press, you have two options of edit and removing this same widget. Okay, and here you can also arrange the widgets if you want. So I'm going to put stocks in the first position, and you will notice the difference. See how it is showing. So that's how it's gonna look. Also, one more thing, that there are so many shortcut suggestions and customizations which iOS 14 has given us, so that also you can follow, and you can see here the different widgets. So which one you like, you can keep. Regarding your social media apps, this is the clock widgets with the plenty of different options, and then down there you have a batteries. So different styles of battery widgets will be there. You can choose as per your requirements, and yes, so that's how it would be displaying on your screen. You can also add a new widget in your home screen. You just need to choose and add the widget. You can also remove it easily from the home screen. So yeah, that's all. So guys, this is something very crazy. This is an app library, so all the apps are grouped and very well organized. You can see here information and reading group has all the apps related to information and reading, and you can also view all your apps from A to Z. So you just need to scroll down and see all your apps. So it's like very easy and convenient way to access all your apps. So you don't need to bring all your apps to the home screen and make it mess. To this option, which is like when a person is calling you, again many people are liking this feature. So this will not cover your entire screen. You can see here the top left corner there is a very small icon representing that someone is calling you. It's again very convenient to get the call or cancel the call. Now this is the feature which iOS 14 has given us in the maps, which is the cycling feature, but unfortunately this would be limited for the specific regions. But again, this feature is also there in the iOS 14, so you will get in iPhones. So that's all about the cycling feature from new iOS 14 updates, and now we're going to show you something very cool over here. So what you have to do is you need to go to settings, choose an app, Amazon, and then go to location, and you will find here the button precise location button. You need to turn this off for all the apps to restrict the apps to access your precise location or to access your actual location. So this is again very cool feature what the iOS 14 has given us in our iPhones. And now this is a spatial audio feature. We have already discussed about this in our previous video, but I'm going to explain it again. So what you have to do is that you need to connect your AirPods Pro with the Bluetooth and turn on the spatial audio feature to get that best sound experience. So you need to click here, tap on spatial audio and feel the difference in music. And so this is like one of the most admired feature, spatial audio feature when you use AirPods Pro. And now I'm going to play the video with the help of Apple TV. You can use any source, YouTube, etc., and play the video. So this is something like PIP, picture in picture mode option. So what this is actually that you can easily operate the mobile, you can do work in your mobile, and the video will be playing simultaneously. The good thing is that You can switch the screen from top to bottom, you can slide it from left to right, you can also minimize this screen, and you can see here the arrow. So this is very convenient, you know, because it doesn't dominate your entire screen, the video which is playing. So again, this is very cool. Now this is something like you can hide your unnecessary pages and you can make your home screen look more clean. So that's what I'm going to show you, how you can hide your all the pages. So you can see here I have so many home pages right now at my home screen, so I'm going to hide all of them. So what I have to do to hide all of these pages is that I have to long press on the screen, okay, and then I have to untick all the pages I wanted to hide, and I'm going to keep only 3 pages which has the useful apps. That's all. There you go, it's set. So no more mess. Your home screen looks very much clean now, and it will hide all your unnecessary pages and apps. So now let's move on to the next feature what we are going to display here, and that I feel like this feature is the most anticipated one. So this is what now we have 2 browsers. So yes, you have an option of switching from Safari to Chrome. So this is also one of the greatest feature what the iOS 14 update has given us. Also, I wanted to explain about one more feature here, prevent cross-site tracking. So what is this? Like, you need to enable this option. So what this will do, that whenever you visit a new site, a new website, so it will basically block that website to track your demographics, to track your location. So you can always turn that on. You also have a different search engine options, Google, Bing, Yahoo, so you can choose whichever browser you wanted to go with. So yeah, that's all. And at last, let's see this feature, which is about hiding your hidden album in iPhones, which was not there before, but now you can hide your hidden album itself. So what you need to do is go to the photos and settings and enable your hidden album option. You can find that the hidden option is there under utilities, but if you turn this off and go back to utilities, you'll find your hidden album is missing. So likewise, now you can hide your hidden album also in iPhones. That's all about iOS updates, guys. I hope we have conveyed all the useful information which you need to be aware of at this moment. No doubt iOS brought the new, astonishing and compelling features in the iPhones, which few of them has really surprised us, and few of the features we were really anticipating to come in iPhones. So that's all. Thank you so much, and please share, subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon for all the future updates. Here's your host Anna Thakur signing off, and we'll be meeting soon in our next video.